So guys, basically, we're at the garage right now. What the fuck? Dog, I'm filming. Shit. So we're at the garage right now. We're buying refreshments. It's about time, guys. It's time to pop. It's one of those things where, but like, I'm that nigga. Yeah, and we're about to go to a party right now. What do you want to say to the people, dog?
Ziyakhala namhlanje lesingaki?
Gqibelo namhlanje. Gqibelo namhlanje. Gqibelo.
Namhlanje. Umgqibelo namhlanje.
Gqibelo, boy.
Imagine bafethu, lathina khona unganjaniwe.
It's one of those things.
Sampes?
Huh?
Sampes?
In it?
Sampes?
Sound. Here's no crate. Imali phela bafethu singayikhohle imali maqala ngena ngani kathi ngena mahala yini kahle ngena
Mama YouTube.
yizo nalezo
YouTube boy.
yizo nalezo
Kahle Drake.
Relax.
Yeah, YouTube.
Relax bafo.
abafethu ngicela isihlonipho
YouTube.
Good morning. Shit.
Yo,
So now we're going to get some food because like we're hungry and
Well, very hungry. This is my nigga Tabs though. He does this thing called vlogging. I believe. Yeah. He does this for a living, I guess. Well, he's still in school, but he loves this vlogging shit. So I just let him do it, you know. Sometimes it gets annoying. Sometimes he just pulls out his phones and saying like it gets annoying, you know. But I ain't mad. You know what I'm saying? Like this is my boy. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't get mad. We call these okay, these are my niggas right there. The three virgins. You know what I'm saying? Like them niggas is still virgins. I love them, man. Abo ndotando, like indoda ngempela. Abo sayindotando.
purely virgin. These niggas are purely virgin.
Pure virgins, you know, like it's fucking crazy how these niggas are like 21 years old and they're still virgins. Yeah, man. Yeah, carry on.
Now we're walking. Skutanga we're very far from dying, we need food and single fires. Yeah, you know the time it's a crazy night. It's a rockstar life, it's got oh,
That's the time, man. Dog.
4 man, 4 a.m.
It's like 4 a.m. in the
Say
morning.
6 to 6, see, load shedding happened.
Man, I know this monster.
And now we're walking to the nearest like restaurant kind of thing.
This is KFC. It's not a restaurant, right? No, why would you say it's a restaurant?
Not cold,
It's just KFC.
KFC will open for 24 hours.
Yeah,
No, they don't open for 24 hours.
Mango.
Like sometimes they just close for like 3 hours, so they just eat the leftover chicken.
Yo.
It's not really like something they want it to be. Like it's a secret. Like they eat the chicken, the leftover. But it's not like I don't know how to say this, but I'm a snitch on these niggas, but they do eat the leftover chicken. You know, when the customers come and they leave the chicken, they chew it off the bones. You know what I'm saying? Like it's illegal, but I'm saying this because you're my dog. My dog. Man. The 8 subscribers.
Yo, That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
They're like,
Oh yeah, you said
got-
50.
I got
50. 51 gun, because like I'm gonna subscribe to this motherfucker.
whoa.
Yeah.
Ay, boy. For hours in dog.
Yeah, 24 hours. So, yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Oh, this nigga. Yeah, man, we made it to the store. Better grab something to eat. And. But this is it, so. It's closed. The fuck, though? Shit, it's closed. But bathe bavula for 24 hours, so mina.
My brother. Ow. Nenkukhu pho. Hello.
Dog, koni ngalapha ethi kalo.
Yo.
Kasomthi.
Yo.
Kasomthi akoni ngala. Ngiyasho ukuthi dog, I know this place. I know this place.
This is my kind of music. I'm afraid to play so I'm Ngena
Ngale dog. Ngicela ukuthi
Let me tell you, the economy is just going down. South Africa is drowning. It's a ticking time bomb. We're gonna die in this motherfucker. So, bro, like I'm about not food. It's like don't have no fries, don't have no chicken. We just got up high up. So now these are cool. It's like 26 rand for like each. 27 rand.
let's try.
What do we do?